Understanding the legal procedure in India is essential to comprehend how legal matters progress from initiation to resolution. Here's an overview of the general legal procedure. Filing a case. Complaint petition. The legal process begins when a plaintiff, the person bringing the case, files a formal complaint or petition in the appropriate court. Court selection. The plaintiff must choose the court with the jurisdiction to hear the case based on factors like location and subject matter. Service of summons. Notice to opposing party. The court issues a summons or notice to inform the defendant, the party against whom the case is filed, of the legal action and the need to appear in court. Service. The defendant is served with the summons, officially notifying them of the case and its details. Pleadings. Plaint and written statement. The plaintiff files a plaint outlining their claims and relief sought. The defendant responds with a written statement admitting or denying the allegations. Counterclaims and rejoinders. Parties may file counterclaims, additional claims against the opposing party, and rejoinders, responses to counterclaims. Framing of issues. Issue identification. The court identifies the specific legal and factual issues in dispute between the parties. Documents. Parties exchange relevant documents and evidence during this stage. Evidence. Examination of witnesses. Parties present witnesses and evidence to support their claims or defenses. Cross-examination. The opposing party has the opportunity to cross-examine witnesses. Documentary evidence. Documents, records, and other evidence are submitted and examined. Expert witnesses. Expert witnesses may be called upon to provide specialized knowledge or opinions. Arguments and submissions. Oral arguments. Lawyers present their arguments and legal interpretations to the court. Written submissions. Parties may submit written arguments, known as written submissions, for the court's consideration. Judgment. Deliberation. The judge reviews the evidence, arguments, and submissions before delivering a judgment. Judgment pronouncement. The judge announces the court's decision, outlining the reasons for the judgment. Appeals. Appellate process. Parties dissatisfied with the judgment can file an appeal in a higher court. Appellate court review. The higher court reviews the lower court's decision and may affirm, reverse, or modify it. Execution of decree. Compliance. If a decree is issued, the parties must comply with its terms. Enforcement. The court can enforce the decree through various means, such as property attachment or wage garnishment. Alternative dispute resolution, ADR. Mediation and arbitration. Parties may opt for ADR methods like mediation or arbitration to resolve disputes outside of court. Settlement. If an amicable settlement is reached, the parties can withdraw the case. It's important to note that the specific legal procedure may vary depending on the type of case, civil or criminal, and the court's rules. This overview provides a general understanding of the stages involved in legal proceedings in India. India's legal system is a complex yet vital component of our society, ensuring justice, upholding the rule of law, and safeguarding citizens' rights. Whether you're facing a legal issue, considering a career in law, or simply interested in civic engagement, understanding the basics of the Indian legal system is invaluable. This beginner's guide has provided you with essential insights into India's legal landscape, including its hierarchy of courts, key legal terms, the roles of legal professionals, and the legal procedure. Armed with this knowledge, you can navigate legal matters more confidently, advocate for your rights, and contribute to the principles of justice enshrined in our Constitution. In a democratic society, the rule of law is paramount, and an informed citizenry plays a vital role in upholding it. By demystifying India's legal system, you have taken the first step toward becoming an active participant in our nation's pursuit of justice and equity. Whether as a litigant, an advocate, or a concerned citizen, your understanding of the legal system is a catalyst for positive change and a more just society.